Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and I've got another project for you today. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find free sewing and crafting patterns and links to even more sewing and crafting tutorials. If you're a cruiser, I've got you covered there too. Check out my cruising resources section. You'll find cruise tips, trip reports, port and ship specific articles, and plenty of photos. Now let's get this project started. If you've been with me the last few weeks, you know we've made some denim heart coasters. We've made a denim heart pot holder. And today we're making a denim heart pillow. Can you tell I'm still working on using up my old cut-up jeans? Along with your regular sewing supplies, for today's project you'll need an 11-inch by 14-inch piece of denim. We need to cut 2 of those. Polyester fiber fill, some sturdy scissors, and the heart pillow template downloaded from Deb's Days. You're also going to need some sturdy needles. Make sure they are heavy-duty or denim needles that you're using in your machine for this project. You can find these exact measurements, the supply list, and that template on debsdays.com at the link I've added in the description right below this video. First, go ahead and cut out your template. Then we need to go ahead and fold our piece of denim in half. You can do it right sides facing out, wrong sides facing out. It's up to you. And then place that template on the fold. Pin it down, and then go ahead and cut out around the template. I have one done. Now I need to do the same with the other piece of fabric. Place one of the denim hearts with the right side facing down, wrong side facing up. Place the second heart right on top of it. We're going to take this to the machine and we're going to stitch it all the way around, about 1/2 inch from the edge. We do need to leave a space to add our stuffing, so don't completely go all the way around. When that's been complete, you're going to need your sturdy pair of scissors next. We're going to make a fringe around the edge of this. I'm going to cut around about every 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch or so. I've done it a couple ways. I've done it with just the tips of the scissors. I've done it with the middle part of the scissors, which seems to be a little bit easier, but I have to be careful not to go over the stitching. But I've got to warn you, this is the hardest part of the project because cutting through 2 layers of denim is so tough. We also need to take care of that section that we left for the opening. I just use my finger to make a little mark so I know how far to cut in. When we have all the fringe cut, we need to start stuffing the pillow. I usually push the stuffing in a little bit farther so I can go ahead and stitch it closed, but then of course I have to go back and work it around to fill it back in properly. But in no time at all, we have a heart pillow made out of denim. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stop by the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find free patterns, supply lists, and links to even more sewing and crafting tutorials. See you next time with another project.